So I wasn't expecting to do this so soon. I was kind of expecting to spend this money on some gauges, but fuck it. I found a really good good price for a good set of wheels. They're not really my favorite or anything, but they're around the size that I'm going to be going for, and I want something different for the truck already. I'm kind of over the Kraggers, so we're gonna go head to like around San Diego area and go pick up the new wheels for the C10. So I'll get back to you once we pick them up.
1 hour later.
So don't really want to record him or his house or anything, but I just got the wheels and I'm super stoked. Hopefully they fit on perfectly. I don't have any troubles. But yeah, I'm gonna head out and go back home and go try these suckers on. Rafa should be there and we'll throw these things on and we'll see what they look like. Alright guys, just made it home. Already took the wheels down and I'm gonna go change my clothes and wait for Rafa to get here real quick, and then we'll swap the wheels out and hopefully everything goes perfect and they're looking sick. So yeah, let's go check it out. You're probably wondering why we're not putting the fronts on right now and we cut to me in my truck, but basically the fronts didn't fit. I have like an aftermarket disc brake on it and I think it's thicker than the stock one, so that's why it didn't fit, because they came off of a 71 C10, so they should have fit. So I went and dropped the wheels off to get the center diameter or the center hub, or I don't really know exactly what you call it, but the center section that really mounts to the disc brake. Machined out. I didn't really film it because I was pissed off because I was really excited to put the wheels on, but the backs look amazing. So right now I'm on my way to go pick up the fronts. We can finish throwing them on and go to unveiling the wheel. Okay, so yeah, so this has been the problem the whole time. Basically, you can kind of still see the machining marks right there, but there was a little bit of a lip here which was preventing it from fully going onto the hub. So you were able to shake the wheel, and then me and Rafa tried to like put it on, try to get away with it, and then it like pressed itself onto the brake rotor, so that didn't work. So we machined it. Now it's time to throw this wheel on. I already got the other side on, and I'll reveal the wheels. Alright guys, so I got the wheels on. I'm really stoked on them. They fit pretty good. So yeah, here are the wheels. So yeah, those are the wheels. They're US mags. They're basically their version of the torque thrust. They're 20 by 9 in the front and 20 by 10 in the rear. A little bit of lip. Want way more, but it'll do for right now. But it will do for right now. I'm stoked. Got a really good deal on them. So that's how the truck's gonna be rolling around for right now. I noticed that the truck definitely needs to come down way lower. If I could tuck tire in the rear, I would love that. I actually just ordered some different sway arms with a drop on them, and then I'll do coilovers in the front. But that's for another day. I actually went to Fred's house a couple days ago, so I'll roll that clip of them checking out the new truck with the wheels, see what they think.
Make sure all these fools know that I'm a down-ass fool. I gotta put my socks up real quick. Hey, I'm down too. Oh shit, no, I'm not. He's undercover down. His boots are hiding it.
Yeah, bro. What do you think? Way better or way worse? You're still gonna lose.
For sure, I can tell that shit's way better than those ugly-ass little 15s. Hey, with those spikes, he's an official tacuache. You gotta just listen to Chalino all the time now.
Well, I'm gonna change the spikes, but...
Ooh, way better. Way better.
Nova approved.
It needs to go lower, though.
Nova approved?
It needs to go lower.
It's not that bad like that.
Nah, I want it to sit lower. It sits too high. Especially in the front, sits way too high.
Those are 20s? They got some pretty tall tires. Like 45.
Yeah, like that.
If both of you fools get in the bed, it'll look good.
We'll be riding around on the bump stop. I need to notch it now.
I didn't even know you had disc brakes in the back.
Yeah,
I
bro.
didn't know you got down like that.
Dude, that's why I can't do burnouts. I only do front wheel drive burnouts.
That's your excuse?
Yeah.
That's your excuse. Disc brakes are taken. You know, Bethel did a burnout yesterday.
Hey, one time.
Actually,
One time.
but did he put ATF on his tires to get it to spin or what?
I told him, did you put that PV blaster on it before you left?
So yeah, Fred's scared now. This has got 20s, so more parasitic loss, so it'll be a little bit slower so he can catch up. But yeah, the truck's got the wheels on it. I'm super happy with it. It was an awesome deal. And yeah, the truck definitely needs to become lower, but that's really it. But apart from that, let me know what you guys think. If you guys like the Kragers better or the US Mags, let me know down in the comments down below. And if you guys could please subscribe, because we're about 100 subs from 3,000 subscribers. So yeah, I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do when I hit 3K. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Also, one last thing before I go. The spike studs aren't permanent. They're just what I had, so don't roast me too bad in the comments.